Hello friends, once again it's me Ajit. In this video I am gonna discuss about how we can set 4G data only in our smartphone, or how to permanently use 4G data, or how to restrict the automatic changes between 4G, 3G, 2G data. Let's see how we can do that. Before moving to the main part, I am going to give a short lecture for kids. Legends don't need to listen this part. We are normally familiar with words 4G, 3G, 2G. But while going into the settings in deep, there we cannot see the words exactly as 4G, 3G, 2G. Instead of that, there will be some technical words. So I am going to give an idea about that technical words. Just note this part somewhere. So that technical words are explaining with a table, so we can easily understand those. The columns of the tables are technical words and the general words used for the technical words and the symbols used. Let's see the first one: TD, SCDMA or LTE, which is the technical word for the 4G. And this is the symbol we can see on the notification bar at the time of active 4G data. Next is the WCDMA, which is the technical word for 3G, and the symbols are H plus or 3G. Next is CDMA or GSM or UMTS, which is the technical word for 2G, and the symbols are E or 2G. We will see these technical words in the settings, which I am gonna explain. So let's move to the next part. When we faces the network problem, most of us go for the options like put it on aeroplane mode and turn it off, or go to the general settings, network and internet, mobile network, advanced. Here we can see preferred network type. From here we can fix 4G data only, but when there is a small absence of 4G network, it automatically changes to highest network coverage type, which means 2G or 3G. So this option is not reliable. We can overcome this drawback by another method. For that, we have to access special user interface. Let's see how to access into that interface. Most of the phones it can access by dialing a code from our number dialing app. The code is star hash 4636 hash star. At the time of typing last star, it automatically opens the required settings. It's some kind of special settings. This is the user interface I am talking about. But in some phones the code doesn't work, so they have to download a application named 4G Switcher from Play Store. This one is the 4G Switcher app. We can download it from our Play Store. It's completely free. Just simply search 4G Switcher. Here we can see lots of applications similar to 4G Switcher. This one is the application I had already downloaded. So you have to download any one of the 4G Switcher from Play Store. After downloading and installing the 4G Switcher, turn on the application when we like to access the interface. So that's it. At the time of clicking on the application, it's opened the special user interface on screen. From here we can permanently set the network type to 4G only or 3G only or combination of both. I gave you a table in this video for the purpose of easily understanding the settings. Here GSM only represents the 2G data only. And WCDMA represents 3G data only. And here LTE only, which is 4G. While we putting these options into LTE only, it try to access the 4G data maximum even if the network coverage is low. And no range will be shown at the time of zero network coverage. One important thing you should keep in mind that while putting one kind of data only from these settings, for example 4G data only, then the mobile data is only available to that phone. We cannot make a normal phone call or receive a normal phone call. While dialing the number with this setting, it gives a beep sound and block the phone call. When you are front dialing to your number, while you are in LTE only settings, your friend will receive a message like the number you are dialing is currently busy. So it is always better to keep with LTE or WCDMA, which means 4G or 3G, or LTE or UMTS, which means 4G or 2G. While with optional data type settings, we can make phone call and access data too. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Hope the video was helpful. See you in next video. Until then, it's me Ajit signing off.